Hi guys, my name is Mariceline. I'm from the Philippines. I live in Manila or Dagupan City. I switch in between these two places every now and then. I'm a student of William Brown to help me trade the financial markets responsibly and profitably. Before I got into William Brown's strategies, I was actually a forex trader trading the Euro USD during the London session. The problem with my strategy is it's mechanical except for the entry point. So that everything was objective, the stop loss was objective, the take profit and the schedules were objective, but the entry point was very subjective, which was hard to measure the results of. So since I found out that you have to have a mechanical trading strategy that's very objective, I went into Google to search for a mechanical trading strategy, and I found William Brown's YouTube channel, and I found his website, and I got in after a few months. Actually, when I found out about his strategies, I wasn't skeptical about it. It's because I know once I saw the videos, I think he knows what he's doing, being mechanical and everything, as opposed to others just saying get a robot or whatever. But I think he knows what he's doing, and he was teaching the strategy, so I wasn't skeptical about it. I got into the program after a few months, and then I back tested it. I back tested these two strategies on 4 years worth of historical data using a reputable broker. And then I found it to be profitable after these back tests, and I practiced it on a demo account, and I used it on a small live account. So now I'm on my way to getting into a prop firm in Singapore or in Canada. So I have two options. So for these two options, I'm practicing the strategy for a few months now on a live account, and then I'm gonna use it on the proprietary trading firm to get a higher amount of funding. So I'm really happy that I found these strategies by William Brown because it gets updated every single day. So I'm happy about that. Not every single day. It gets updated after every regularly. So they make sure you know what you're doing. They have a great support team, especially Paul's there to help him. And I'm really grateful that I'm able to go into a prop firm confidently because of these strategies. So thank you, William, and thank you, Paul. Have a nice day.